Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Mini PC PN51-S1 series ultra compact PC. So friend, ASUS has unveiled two variants of ultra compact PC Mini PC PN51-S1 series, which is equipped with Ryzen 5000U series, and memory and storage have been added to barebone kit introduced in February of this year. Furthermore, Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed and ready to use right away. The product portfolio comprises two models, Ryzen 350-300U with 128GB SSD PN51-S1B B3553AD storage, and Ryzen 550-500U with 256GB SSD PN51-S1B S1B 535-4AD storage, and friend DDR4 3200 8GB memory, HDMI 1.4x1, DisplayPort 1.4x1, USB 3.2, Gen Type-C x 1, 2.5 gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 handle, and friend the main body is 115mm wide, 115mm deep, 49mm tall, and it weighs around 700 grams. So friend, if I talk about the pricing, the price is around 500 to 600 USD dollars. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.